You're watching Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest in cutting-edge tech with simple and clear reviews. Today we are talking about one of the most anticipated drones of the year, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. A drone that is shaping up to be the next big leap in aerial filmmaking and photography. The Mavic series has always been at the heart of DJI's innovation. Each new generation pushes boundaries in design, performance, and camera technology. With the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI is building on the strong foundation of the Mavic 3 Pro, which already set high standards for both professionals and enthusiasts. Now, expectations are higher than ever. One of the biggest talking points about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is its improved camera system. DJI is expected to introduce a larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch or even more advanced option, bringing in higher resolution and better low-light performance. The main goal here is to offer cinematic-grade footage straight out of a compact drone. Users are looking for sharper detail, more dynamic range, and smoother color tones, and the Mavic 4 Pro aims to deliver exactly that. There are also strong rumors about an upgraded zoom system. DJI has been working on hybrid optical and digital zoom that lets you capture distant subjects with professional clarity. This could be a huge deal for filmmakers who want versatility without carrying multiple drones. Another major highlight is performance. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come with an improved flight time, likely pushing past 45 minutes. Longer flights mean more creative freedom, fewer interruptions, and the ability to cover bigger areas in one take. At the same time, DJI is expected to enhance obstacle avoidance with smarter AI tracking. This could mean better subject recognition, safer flight paths, and a smoother shooting experience. Connectivity is also getting an upgrade. DJI has been refining its 04 and 05 transmission systems, and with the Mavic 4 Pro, you can expect even stronger connections, clearer live feeds, and more stability over long distances. This is especially important for professional shoots where reliability is everything. In terms of design, DJI doesn't usually go for drastic changes, but the Mavic 4 Pro may bring lighter materials, better folding arms, and improved cooling for the internal hardware. This makes it not just easier to carry but also more efficient in demanding environments. Pricing is always an important factor. DJI has built the Mavic Pro line for creators and professionals, so it won't be cheap. However, considering the jump in features, it's likely to sit in a premium category similar to its predecessor. For many creators, the investment makes sense because of the balance between portability and professional-grade output. Overall, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is looking like a powerhouse drone. With a stronger camera system, longer battery life, smarter flight features, and better connectivity, it could easily become the new standard in professional drone filmmaking. DJI has built a strong reputation for making drones that deliver performance you can trust, and the Mavic 4 Pro continues that journey. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we break down the latest gadgets in simple words that matter to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's shaping our future.